When the heat is cranked up and the humidity is high, your body is sending an SOS to get some chill, cool, refreshing hydration inside of it so that you can feel good and of course beat the heat. So I have some amazing hydration hacks that you can do simply in your kitchen with only 3 ingredients. And they're simple, they're easy, they're quick, and they're so good. So let's go give them a try. Oh, and don't forget, check out the blog to get the full program details. This is a 4-part Beat the Heat series to keep your body hydrated, cooled off, energized, as well as refreshed during the summertime. Now let's get on with it to learn how to make these simple, refreshing, and hydrating recipes. This frozen fruity treat is one that everyone is going to love, especially when it's hot outside. And the best part is, you can make it 3 different ways. The first way is to make it into a sorbet. So you just mix it into your blender or your food processor, and prior to freezing it, you just eat it. Or if you want to make it into little fruit cubes so that you have it post-workout, or you can snack on it for dessert, or just being outside in the heat, you can make it into little fruit, little nuggets. So you put it into an ice cube tray, freeze it until it's frozen, and then pop it out whenever you want to have that treat. And then you can also do the same thing with a popsicle. And you just put a little popsicle stick in, freeze it, and you have your homemade treats with 2, possibly even 3, simple ingredients. And I say a third because I'm adding lime juice to mine. I'm using mango, 2 cups of frozen mango, 1 cup of coconut water, and just some fresh lime juice that I'm going to place in just to give it an extra little flavor. And if you have mint leaves or herbs or anything that you like to put in with your fruit, that always does the trick too. So let's mix it all up and we'll give it a taste. We're going to do mine sorbet style. Voila! It is ready, sorbet style. Let's give it a try. All right, I'm gonna use my little cute little ice cream scooper. Take some of that and place it inside my cup. Refreshing. Oh my goodness, and oh so satisfying. You have to give it a try to give it a taste yourself, because it has that coconut flavor that transports you to a beach with that fresh fruit, the mango. You can use any fruit that you like, and adding that extra little lime just gives it a little kick. It's the perfect summer treat to beat the heat. This is a frozen fruity, this is a frozen fruity favorite. This frozen fruity treat is a hit for everyone though. This is a frozen fruity treat that everyone will love, even the kids. Okay, now here's the question. Do you eat it right out of the blender, or do you actually scoop it out and put it into something like more enjoyably, pleasantly looking? Again, why am I eating this in front of the camera? It's pretty good. Oh, come on. Seriously?